Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your MacBook. While this exciting mobile game isn't directly available for Mac OS, there are excellent ways to enjoy it on your larger screen. We will explore using Android emulators, which let you run the game directly. We'll also cover cloud gaming services for browser play and screen mirroring options to cast your phone's game. Get ready to brawl. Android emulators are a fantastic way to bring Brawl Stars to your Mac. Simply download and install a trusted emulator such as BlueStacks or Moo Player Pro. Once installed, open the Google Play Store within the emulator, sign in with your Google account, and then download Brawl Stars. These emulators often provide custom key mapping, allowing you to use your keyboard and mouse for precise control and a smoother gaming experience. Another convenient method is using cloud gaming platforms. Websites like Easy Fun, GG allow you to play Brawl Stars directly in your web browser, requiring no downloads or installations on your MacBook. You can often get several hours of free daily gameplay by simply signing in with a Google account. This option is perfect for saving storage space and enjoying the game without performance concerns on your device. Finally, screen mirroring lets you display your phone's game on your Mac. Apps like AirDroidCast enable you to cast your mobile screen, giving you a larger view. Remember to ensure a strong internet connection for smooth gameplay, especially with cloud gaming or mirroring. For emulators, optimize settings for high frames per second and graphics to get the best possible experience. Enjoy your battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.